Do you want to be more satisfied with your life? In this video, we'll talk about how to use a single event in your life to be more satisfied overall. Hi, my name is JD and I'm a statistician and music therapist here to offer statistically significant support. Before we get started, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons. It would really help me out, but it would also make sure that you get the content and the support that you need as it comes out. With that said, work-life balance is so important right now. It might be more important than ever before. For me at least, it's even easier to blur the lines between work and non-work because working from home makes it so that I don't move all day. I'm also seeing people get distracted by family members as they work, and this integration of work and life can be frustrating, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. It's called spillover, and it can help you become even more satisfied with your life. With bottom-up spillover theory, when you become satisfied with small, specific events in your life, like spending more time with family, your satisfaction can travel up to vaguer areas of your life, like being satisfied with your family as a whole, which leads to becoming satisfied with your life as a whole. So the first thing that you can do to help bring more satisfaction with your life is to allow the positive spillover to happen. So let an area of your life where you're satisfied with carry over into other areas of your life. Because positivity in one area is spilling over into other areas, you'll be happier and more satisfied with your life as a whole. And letting that happen will integrate your life's roles. Now, you want to be careful with spillover because you need to manage your negative emotions. If our positive emotions can spill over into one area of our lives, then so can our negative emotions. For example, the stronger we feel negative emotions throughout the work day, the more likely we are to have higher numbers of negative family events. But this pattern only holds true if we compartmentalize our roles, worker, non-worker. And when we integrate our roles, we limit that consequence of the negative emotions. Now, the good news is that our positive emotions help integrate our roles already, but you can also do mindfulness-based stress reduction exercises to lower stress, depression, anxiety, and distress. These include meditation, but Psychology Today has a list of tips on how to do these exercises and what exercises to do. There's a link in the description below, so go and check that out after this video. Also, check out my video on connectedness for a meditation exercise. It's called Loving Kindness Meditation, and it does wonders for me and for other people who use it. Now, it's also important to remember that how we view a foundational event in our lives becomes how we view our lives as a whole. For example, being satisfied with a service like a library service or a bank service or interacting with a crisis or religious service, that one event leads to more satisfaction to the community as a whole, and experiencing satisfaction with the community leads to being satisfied with other areas of your life. But don't forget that the different areas of our lives were already interconnected. For example, participating in sports is directly linked to being satisfied with your health, housework, and leisure. And this is particularly true for people with disabilities. Now, health, housework, and household income contribute mostly to overall life satisfaction. So how you feel about one area of your life will spill over into other areas of your life. Now, bottom-up spillover theory pattern holds for work, health, leisure, and other areas of your life. And the positive spillover will rise into other areas of your lives, and you'll be better off because of it. Just make sure that you allow the positive spillover to happen and that you manage the negative emotions. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want more content like this, hit the subscribe button so that I can continue to bring you more statistically significant support. Thank you.